Guys, what is up? It's your girl Bree, back at it again with another video for y'all. I know I haven't been recording in like forever. My room's a mess, but I was literally just watching my videos from like 2018, and I was like, I used to be skinny back then. I had brown hair. I don't know if y'all noticed, but your girl dyed her hair black. We've been going through it sometimes. Actually, most of 2019, to be real with you. So I was like, let me get back on my grind. I'm about to have this channel for 2 years. Haven't done much with it. And let me finish. I can't eat and walk. I'm like out of breath. That's what happens when you get out of high school. You become fat. But basically, I keep on moving everywhere. I don't know how to like stay still. But basically, I was like thinking, I literally started this channel with this ambition and this little goal to become YouTube famous. Hasn't happened yet. I don't think it'll happen because that's kind of like over with already. But I figured I might as well continue sharing my little journey with y'all. And yeah, and I haven't uploaded in like probably 6 months. So I figured might as well start the new year strong. We'll see how long I could go. And yeah, so I'm basically gonna try to vlog a little bit, but I basically work all day. So, it's not much like a vlog. But my bra was right there. Love that for me. I'm basically getting a little snack in before I have to get ready for work, which is in like 10 minutes. Not work itself, but like when I need to leave. So I figured I'll vlog on my way to work when I get there. Maybe during my break, y'all see me eat. Nothing new. And I did get a new job. I can't fucking chew and eat at the same time. I mean, chew and talk at the same time. But yeah, so I've been rambling for 2 minutes. Love that for me. Yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, so I'm just walking into my car. There's a car coming. Hold up. Figured I would just, goddamn, show y'all the real me. Don't fall. First gonna fall. Love that. Yay. Cause I don't even know what I was trying to say, but I'm kind of running a little late. It's like 1:15 probably. You didn't fall. Yay. But yeah, so I'm kind of just on my way to work, and I need to go pick up my Jimmy John's sandwich. Don't y'all just love? And that's about it. I feel like my lashes are coming a little loose because I put them on kind of early, but ain't nothing you can do about it now. Yo, damn it, y'all didn't stay. Safety first. So I kind of figured that I should learn how to drive first, right? Just kidding. So I kind of figured I would kind of just update y'all on my life, like what's been going on, why I've been MIA. And the truth is, the reason why I've been MIA is because I have no self-discipline when it comes to YouTube. I don't know how to freaking coordinate a schedule for filming and uploading and stuff like that. So that's literally why. Excuse me, sir. And I still film on my phone. So that's kind of also why too, and it kind of sucks when it comes to like uploading because I have to edit on my phone, then upload everything onto my computer, and my computer's kind of slow. So yeah, and that's kind of sounds like a lot of excuses, which it is, but I'd rather be real with y'all than trying to like kick it with y'all. So it doesn't even feel like Christmas time at all. But I think the reason why it doesn't feel like Christmas time for me ever, like for a while, is like for a few years actually, is because like around this time is like my grandma's birthday, and she passed away about like 7 years ago, I want to say. I think it was 7 because her birthday just passed. Rest in peace, grandma. But yeah, so I just think like I feel like everyone has like their own specific reasons as to why it doesn't feel like the holidays sometimes, and I kind of think that's not really talked about a lot either. And I kind of just wanted to mention, I feel like I'm all over in this video, but I kind of just wanted to mention like suicide prevention, I guess, in a way, or just like it's kind of sad seeing that a lot of people, they think that their life is too hard right now, and not saying that it's not, because everyone does go through like a lot of things and stuff like that, but I just wish people would kind of like reach out a little bit more and talk about their feelings and like vent about life. And I feel like a lot of people think they can't do that sometimes because they feel like they'll be judged, and that's kind of just the society we live in now. Like it's normal, it's a normal thing to hear, oh, someone committed suicide, you know what I mean? And it's so sad to say, and I wish that wasn't like a real thing in our society, but it is. Yeah, it kind of just got really deep real quick and like talks about real life shit that happens, but I have a platform, so I might as well use it right for like the right reasons. So yeah, it's kind of just my thoughts on today, like food for thought, I guess. I don't even know if that's food for thought, but whatever. Okay, dude, do you not know what you're doing? Okay, cool. Thanks, CPS Energy, for friggin' trying to kill me. Love that. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna vlog a little bit more. I just saw a pink Cadillac, sorry, but I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit more after work because I can't be a little speed racer while I'm filming, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope y'all have a great day, and I know y'all probably gonna see this in like 2 days, probably, knowing myself. But yeah, so y'all have a great day. Don't forget to stay blessed and start speaking stuff into existence. Manifest your own destiny, you know what I mean? That's another thing. I'm trying to be more positive and like look at stuff at a different view, different perspective, because life has been kicking my ass lately, and I think that me changing into this little positive stuff will help, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's kind of just what I've been preaching lately. Bye guys. Hey guys, what is up? It is currently the next day. So y'all like the beanie? Basically what happened was I got home at like 11:30, almost 12, and I was like hella tired from work, so I completely forgot to finish the end of the vlog. So this is me just finishing yesterday's little vlog. I'm kind of debating if I want to go on to like what I'm gonna be doing in the weekend. Let me get out of this lighting because it's dark. But yeah, so I kind of just want to finish this vlog. I'll probably start a new vlog for tomorrow. So yeah, it's currently Saturday, and I just went to go have breakfast with my friend Edwin, and I'm pretty sure he watches my videos. Shout out to you. And I just went to the bank, ran some errands, and I'm gonna start baking with my grandma on my day off. So yeah, that's about it for today, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.